lot of people have told me they don't like their names. They were like, why would you name that? That's like animal cruelty. And I was like, okay. Hello beautiful humans, I'm Brynn, a teenager passionate about veganism and sustainability, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I clean my low-waste guinea pig cage. This is the cage after a week. I really should have tidied it up every day as I usually do, but this is just a week without any tidying because I was lazy. And these are my lovely piggies. The one with the black fur on her face is Steggy, short for Stegosaurus, and her little sister is Tyra, short for Tyrannosaurus. The first thing that I'm going to do is just sweep up the poop with this little broom that I found. I'm not going to try to get every single one because some of them get stuck like between the little crack of where the structure is. So I'm just getting the majority because I'll get all the other ones later. Alright, I just finished my general sweeping and I put all the poop in this little bucket so I can take it out to my compost later. And the next step is just to dismantle the structure and get the nitty-gritty, but here's how much poop is just the general, so it's a lot. Now that I have it mostly all swept out and most of the feces is out of the cage, I'm going to put them in their travel cage while I transfer the actual structure over onto the new pallet. I have two, so I don't have to wait for this one to be cleaned because that would take forever and I don't want them to be in a tiny travel cage for so long. So I have two so I can switch them out, and while one's getting washed for the week, the other one isn't used and they keep switching out. Yeah, so I'm going to move actually this structure right here over onto this, get it all set up, and then I'm going to move them back into their new cage. I just finished moving the actual thing over into here, onto the new fresh one here. I'm gonna move the guinea pigs back into here, and then I'm going to finish cleaning up the old one, and I'll kind of show you what I'm going to do to clean that all up, and then I'm going to finish sweeping up all the poop now that the bars aren't there to get in the way, and then I will show you what I do next. I just came back from washing the old bedding thing. I had to go outside and hose it down because my washer and dryer are not equipped to handle very thick stuff. I just now have started to do hand washing it, so I hosed it down, got laundry detergent, and I didn't take a video of it because I was my hands were all wet and it's a little, I think I got water in my jeans too. Whatever, it's fine. It's 102 in Texas right now. It's so hot. So now I'm going to spray down the floor here and get a big broom and sweep it all up. Just to clean out this area, and then I'm gonna move their cage back over in its place. So yeah, righty, I finally finished the cage. Here it is, beautiful. And now I'm gonna go take a shower because I feel a little gross. Alright, so just some closing notes on anything you might be confused about, or if you are thinking about getting a guinea pig and you are a sustainable person and want to be sustainable. This week I was so unmotivated, uninspired. I just sat around and did nothing, and it was horrible. I was just in such a rut. I just couldn't do anything, honestly. So that's probably also why in the background you've seen plastic bottles, because I would just kind of sit in here and do absolutely nothing. So it's been a little bit of a week, but it's okay. I'm getting back in it. I told myself I was going to film this video so I could get back into it. So if you don't like seeing poop, if that grosses you out, guinea pigs, probably not the best way to go. Really, animals in general, probably not the best way. Guinea pigs, definitely not the way to go because they're nicknamed in the guinea pig community the poop machines because they have no bladder control at all, and that's why it's super hard to litter train them. because you can literally train hamsters, and you know, they can be in a little litter and it makes it easy, but you can't really do that effectively for guinea pigs because they have no bladder control. They don't even know when they're pooping. They just does it. It's the weirdest thing. But if you don't like that, I wouldn't recommend getting guinea pigs, because you're supposed to have more than one, because if you only have one, they get really lonely and depressed. It's actually illegal in some countries to only have one guinea pig. So fun fact, more you know. So now you know that even guinea pigs can be sustainable. A lot of people don't have a lot of content about, you know, hamsters and guinea pigs and small pets being sustainable. I really haven't seen, I've only seen one article about a hamster. I've never seen anything about a guinea pig, so I thought I would test it out, you know, do a little bit more research, try things for myself, and I would make a video about my sustainable guinea pigs. I hope you like them. I really hope you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up and comment down below any tips that you have. I also need tips for how to hand wash. Hi, Goober. Sorry about being cut off. My little brother just woke up from his nap. So please tell me how to hand wash better, because I was just like out there with laundry detergent, putting it on there and then hosing it down. Also tell me what you liked about this video, and if you have guinea pigs, what are their names? I'd really love to know. Mine have a very unique names. A lot of people have told me they don't like their names. They were like, why would you name that? That's like animal cruelty. And I was like, okay. Ouch. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!